You have no idea how much I want to do that. So, it's lunchtime now. I'm gonna eat my lunch. There's nothing after school today, which is great. I do have to catch up on PE online homework, so I'll get that done. And hopefully get some other stuff done that I've been able to do but couldn't because of homework. Turning the homework went well. There was like a discussion group that we did that went well. And if you don't mind, I'm going to enjoy my lunch. I'll see you later. In band class now, and we're working on the Christmas music. Hopefully we'll get better. So since Thanksgiving, I haven't been able to fly the drone because there was an update and the update isn't working, like it won't load, so I can't fly until I update it. And last time I called, I couldn't do the update because my battery was low, so they couldn't help me. But now it's charged, and I'm gonna try again. Hopefully this time it works, because I need it. I'm gonna try to do the other real quick first, so I don't call for no reason. Nope, didn't work. Time to call.
Hello, thank you for contacting DJ.
They have really good customer service.
Please listen closely to the following updated options. For technical questions or repair needs regarding the Phantom series, please press 3. For questions regarding Ronin, please wait while your call is transferred.
I do love their whole music though. Really good whole music. I'm call number 5 in the queue. This could take a while.
Thank you for calling DCI. This is Christian. How can I help you?
I'm trying to do the newest update and it keeps failing. Yep, that worked. Have a nice day.
Thank you so much for your time. Yeah, thank you for calling DCI.
Right. Okay. Kind of successful. So apparently there's a problem with the update. It's not just me. So can't do the update, but they got it so I can fly it without the update, which is fine for me. I don't need the update. Thanks, DJI.
Take off.
Watch this.
Addy mode.
I'll be leaving for karate soon, but first, Marianne had prepared what looks like delicious burgers, ooh, and mac and cheese. So I am going to eat that first and then head out.
See if these are cooked enough. All right, they should be, but I know you like your burgers well. So, it's sold out. So I bought a box, that's the thing. He says nobody used it out of the box to display it.
Time for her. Karate went great. Finished forming working on. It was the last class before belt graduation, which is this Friday. I'm not getting a belt, but some other people in class are getting belts, and I'm very happy for them. So I'll be at that. Today was pretty relaxed, except today in 5th period there was a government test. I think I did really well on it. I mean, I killed the multiple choice, but there was a written section that I wasn't so confident in. So we'll see what happens. And the rest was, as I said, pretty relaxed. Good day. I hope you had a great day. I hope my work entertained your faces, and I'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow after school, there's a parade practice for marching band. Kurt's gonna be in the parade. Yeah, we're in the parade.